My name is Emma. I am a girl. I am 10 years old. I live in a small house. The house is in a quiet village. The village has green trees and a blue river. I live with my mother. My mother's name is Anna. My father works far away. He sends money sometimes. Most days it is just mother and me. Mother is kind. Mother has soft eyes. Mother works hard every day. Every morning I wake up. The sun comes in the window. Birds sing. Mother is already up. She makes tea. She makes bread. Mother says, "Good morning, Emma." I say, "Good morning, Mother." We eat together. Mother gives me the bigger piece of bread. She takes the smaller piece. I say, "Mother, eat more." Mother smiles. She says, "I am fine. You need to grow strong." I go to school. Mother walks with me part of the way. Then she goes to work. She cleans houses in the village. She washes clothes for other people. In the afternoon, I come home. Mother is there. She cooks soup. She gives me a full bowl. She takes a small bowl. We sit at the table, we talk. Mother asks, "How was school?" I say, "It was good. I learned new words." Mother listens. She looks happy. At night, Mother helps me with schoolwork. She sits close. She says the letters with me. She says the numbers with me. Sometimes she looks tired. Her eyes are red, but she still helps. One cold day, winter comes. Wind blows strong. Snow falls. The house feels cold. I have an old coat. The coat is thin. Mother sees me. She cakes her own coat. Her coat is warmer. She puts it on me.
I say, "Mother, this is your coat." Mother says, "You need it more. I am strong." She wears a thin sweater. She goes to work in the cold. I feel warm in her coat. I feel her love. Days pass. Every day, Mother gives me more. She gives me more food. She gives me more time. She gives me more care. One day, I need new shoes. My shoes have holes. Water comes in when it rains. Mother looks at the shoes. She is quiet. The next day, she goes to the market. She comes home late. She has new shoes for me. I put on the shoes. They fit well. I say, amazed, "Mother, how did you buy them?" Mother says, "I worked extra hours. It is okay." I later see her plate. She eats less rice that week. Touched, I feel something in my heart. One night, I become sick. My head hurts. My body is hot. I cry. Mother sits by my bed all night. She puts a wet cloth on my head. She gives me water. She sings soft songs. I sleep and wake. Mother is still there. In the morning, she looks very tired, but she smiles. She says, "You will be well soon, Emma." She does not go to work that day. She stays with me. I get better after 2 days. Mother goes back to work. I think, Mother gives her rest for me. Spring comes. Flowers grow. The river water is clear. At school, the teacher says we need books for a new class. The books cost money. I come home. I tell Mother. I say, "Mother, I need books, but they cost money." Mother is quiet. She looks at the small box where she keeps money. The next days, Mother works more. She cleans 2 more houses. She comes home late. Her hands are red from work. One evening, she gives me the books. She says, "Here, Emma, for your school." I hold the books. I feel happy and sad together. I say, Mother, you work too much. Mother says, a mother's love works. You must learn. I hug her. She hugs me back. Her arms are strong and warm. More days pass. Summer is hot. Mother still works. She still cooks. She still helps me. One day I see Mother sit alone in the garden. Soft wind moves the leaves. She looks tired. I go to her. I say, Mother, sit. I can cook today. Mother looks surprised. She says, You are young. I say, determined, I can try. You rest a little. I make simple tea. I cut bread. We eat together. Mother smiles big. She says, Thank you, Emma. I feel good. Later, I find ways to help more. I sweep the floor. I water the flowers. I wash the cups. Mother says, You grow kind. One afternoon, a letter comes from Father. He sends some money. He writes he will come home soon. Mother is happy. I am happy. But even before the money, Mother always found a way. She gave her food. She gave her coat. She gave her rest. She gave her time. She gave her work, all for me. One evening we sit by the river. The sky is pink. Birds sing. Water moves slowly. I take Mother's hand. I say, Mother, I see what you do. You give so much. You love me so much. Mother's eyes become wet. She says, You are my child. A mother's love never stops. I give because I love you. I say, I love you too. I will help you more every day. We sit quiet. Soft wind touches our faces. The sun goes down. Stars come out one by one. Back at home, soft. We have no cat, but the house feels full of love. Father comes home some weeks later. He hugs us. The family is together, but I know the truth. Even when Father was far, Mother stayed. Mother gave. Mother loved. Now I am older in my heart. I understand. Mother's love is quiet. Mother's love is strong. Mother's love is every day. She sacrifices sleep. She sacrifices food. She sacrifices rest. She does it with a smile. I learn from her. I want to give love too. The village is quiet and green. The small house is warm. My mother is near. I am Emma. I have a mother who loves me with all her heart. Her love makes me strong. Her love gives me hope. A mother's love never ends.